Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Transform My Space episode. This is episode 4. I can't believe this series has been like going on, and I'm honestly like so excited to do more spaces. Of course, COVID, I feel like put a damper on like this whole series, but I'm excited for this one because it's gonna be my mom's kitchen. As you can see in the background, it's a different background than mine, but this is my mom's beautiful kitchen. But she just bought a house and I'm super excited for her, and I'm gonna be organizing some spaces in her home. In this episode, you guys are gonna see her kitchen organization process. So I'm gonna show you guys the things that I'm doing with her kitchen and pantry and fridge, because we're organizing all 3, okay? Of course, I'm gonna link all the products down below, so if you're trying to achieve the same look, you can shop the products that I use in this video. And as always, hit that subscribe button and like this video before we get started. All right, let's get into the video. All right guys, so my mom has had a lot of people in and out the house today because she is moving today and I'm organizing the kitchen. So a little sneak peek of everything. We definitely have to go get some organizers for the sheet pans and the cutting board, and then also the pots and pans and the lids, which are right there. Just a little sneak peek of everything. I was coming on here to say, if you are moving, or if you're, if you're moving to any space, any new space, the best thing to do is to organize right then and there. Just kind of doing everything in one motion, organizing while you are in the moving mood, because life happens and you'll get busy, and more clutter will kind of build up over time. All right, so I am about to organize some of the silverware in my mom's cabinet, or drawer rather. So I wanted to show you guys the product that I'm using. This is from the Container Store. I've actually used this in another video for my best friend when I organized her kitchen, so I'm gonna leave that video up above in the cards and down below in the description box. But I really love this, and it kind of gives you like the placements of like where the forks, knives, spoons should go. So I love this. And her aesthetic is kind of like a very gray, cool tone aesthetic, and she kind of wanted her kitchen and her vibe within her cabinets to go with that. So this was perfect. This brand, which is Made Smart, also has these regular like little bins as well for like your utensils, kind of the bigger like serving spoons and things like that. So I'm gonna be using that, and I'll show you guys the drawer and the process of putting all her silverware and organizing all of her stuff. So let's get into it. The nice thing about my mom's pantry is she already had containers from her last house. So again, it goes to show you that even if you organize in one house and you're worried about like buying containers and moving it to another house, honestly, it made her moving process a lot smoother and just easier. And honestly, she's using the same things. This pantry is bigger, so we had to get more product, but yeah, she's using the same containers that she had and the same baskets. And again, we had to expand, but I am loving the pantry so far. I'm like obsessed with just turntables, and I just love how, I just love this. So this transformation is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna do a little spice drawer for my mom, and this is super similar, like literally almost like identical to the spice drawer that I did for a previous video for my best friend's kitchen. So definitely check that video out. But we use the same spice glass jars. So these are from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down below. So we're gonna be using these acrylic like little spice drawer. All right, anyway, we're gonna be using these acrylic spice drawer organizers. This essentially is gonna go on the organizer. So it looks like about maybe, I think 4 or so can probably fit on one row, which is really nice. So yeah, so I really like that. So 12 will be able to fit on this like one little panel. All right, and also let me show you So again, this is from Amazon, and also one of the things I really love about this product is that they have labels. I don't know if you guys can see that. These labels are low-key good, y'all. Like chicken stock, chicken seasoning, Chinese 5 spice, like all lemon pepper, like you gotta have lemon pepper. Oh my gosh. Even like if you are of a different ethnicity, it seems like it's a very wide variety of spices that like maybe different cultures maybe use a lot. And so I say all that to say, like, this is very, I think, versatile and really good. And then of course it comes with this little like funnel, which I absolutely love, and then a top on top, and then it comes with the shaker. So you can do like the shaker side, or if you want to kind of have like a lot of spice coming out at one time, you can have like a more open kind of like hole for your spices to come out. So y'all, this product is super good. Oh my gosh. Not only does it come with the option to do like the black, like blank stickers. Look! Y'all, this is low-key the product of the year, okay? If you're trying to do like a spice jar thing. And I don't think this is that like expensive, to be honest. But it comes with this little chalk marker. Money well spent. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this step, but I'm gonna place everything in the drawer in a second. But to remember what is what, because obviously there's a lot of spices, I kind of placed the new spice jar in front of the old spice, and this is Old Bay, but the old spice as in like the original container and package. So that way I'll know how to label it, and then whatever is left, like this one is empty, but for instance this one is left over, so this will be stored in the pantry, kind of like in a bin somewhere that nobody can see. So that'll be kind of like the overflow and overstock, and that way, you know, she can refill everything, can back stock if she needs more, but if she doesn't have anything in back stock, then obviously she'll know it'll be time to kind of buy more. So love this look. All right, guys, so it is day 2 of the Transform My Space at my mom's house, and she went grocery shopping, as you can see. So I'm gonna be organizing her fridge a little bit. It's not gonna be like super like, I'm gonna have like a lot of products in her fridge, but I am gonna do some type of organization. So they're gonna be like a couple of things, nothing crazy. And then I also got the rest of the things for her drawers. So we do have like utensils down here that I'm gonna organize, and then got some containers for that, as well as the rest of her pantry. So did a little container store run. Isn't that right, Bubs? Gonna go through all of this and take you guys through the rest of the install and show you guys the final reveal. Guys, so it is day 3. Y'all, I've been at this project for forever. It's just a lot to get done, honestly. Again, like, because she was moving, we had to do a lot, and then making custom labels, so that takes a lot of time, but we're almost done. Little sneak peek of the pantry labels. Let me show you guys a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna show you the pantry yet, but here's a little sneak peek of the pantry labels. So I'm very excited about that and to show you guys. And yeah, I think once I finish this up, I'll show you guys the reveal of her kitchen and her fridge and her pantry. So super excited. Love you now. Love you guys, that is it. That is the end of the episode. My mom absolutely loved her space, and hopefully this will be something that she can maintain, and it will help her kind of find what she needs when she's cooking, because she cooks a lot. Hopefully this inspired you guys if you're looking to organize your kitchen, your fridge, or your pantry, or all three, because it really does make a difference if you cook a lot. And even if you don't, it just makes a difference being able to find the stuff that you need when you need it. Hope you guys enjoyed this Transform My Space, and if you did, be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.